has been going fantastic, I would say, because from the learning part, I do understand what I'm learning, but the way it is being conducted, the way you have the flow of the training, how the planning of sessions and the facilitators have been done, and I see also a concept of it's not a standard curriculum; it's an incremental one. So the newer version is coming, so there are other facilitators sitting here to get acquainted with the newer version, and so they absorb the newer version to tell others. And I see there is a revision of even the materials and all those things from the L&D angle. I really like that. Now coming towards the servant leadership part, see, frankly, for me, if you are servant leadership, so
Yes.
whatever, so being in this L&D L&D domain myself, when I hear about servant leadership,
Yes.
I always think Robert. Okay,
Greenleaf.
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 Yeah, Robert Greenleaf is something which comes to my mind, and his
Yes.
institute, and it's a foreign institute. There is a certain philosophy. Like we read all the books, we know something was done in a foreign country, and we know it's a philosophy. Now, when coming to servant leadership, the way Islam is designed by Dr. Madan and team, okay, I feel more closer now to the Indian context. It
Yes.
is now, first of all, okay, it exists. And servant leadership, this kind of things, not just famous in UST. Before UST, I knew this existed. I knew Mr. Madana's name. And in fact, now coming to UST, being inside the servant leadership workshop, I feel more closer. In fact, have a realization now. There are people, servant leader practitioners sitting around me every day, which I didn't know before. So it's great. I mean, like, servant leadership is actually in action, and it's not just for leadership people or people managers. That is one thing I realized today. So, see, servant leadership philosophy I understood. Now, when I came to UST, I understood about there are certain values. Now, I today. Or if in fact from yesterday's session towards today, I understand what is the actual connection between those three UST values with the servant leadership model. So it's a great understanding for the corporate environment. Definitely it works. UST is there. The examples, the real examples which have been historically been given by the facilitators, how things have been done in UST, how things, I truly believe, and now you can count me as a proponent of servant leadership philosophy. I'll
But
definitely recommend, if I get a chance to speak to people what trainings should be done, servant leadership would be among my top three recommendations to be done within UST. It just not improves your corporate, it does not applicable, it's not applicable just to the corporate environment. As a person, there are certain things which are a big takeaway which will help throughout your life.